Good job. And now I think we're going to diverge quite partially. I'm going to do by parts. I make all of my students do this problem because my first year teaching it, a student asked me to do this one, and I had no idea how to do it. It was very embarrassing. What's du going to be in this case?
Secant tangent.
What's the integral of secant squared?
dv, right? dv.
This is dv here.
Oh, okay. I thought you were going vertically down.
Oh, looks like a U.
Oh, all right, whatever.
My u's have tails.
All right. Why is it using these?
Really?
You know, I'm sure there's some story that some nerd knows that I have no idea. So I did integration by parts. We still have the formulas up on the boards here, wherever you need to look. I started let u equal secant x, dv is secant squared x dx. du is the derivative here. The integral to get v is here. Using the formula, it says that this integral is going to equal u times v, which is secant tangent, minus the integral of v times du. Notice I get two tangents there. That's where I get that tangent squared from. With me? All right. Next up. That's that rule, right? That Pythagorean rule? Any questions so far? This is just a trig identity. Tangent squared x is going to be secant squared x minus 1. I just broke it into two separate integrals. This is here. This distributed there is here. Yes, sir.
That's where the two things.
Yeah. Which plus I have minus with the minus. So I'm distributing actually a negative secant, and if I want to do it that way. Last time we reviewed the integral of secant x dx. Last semester I derived it. I don't know if all your teachers did, but it's good if they did. So we're safe here. Yes?
Why is that a positive sign of
Because I have a negative times a negative.
all right.
I literally distributed a negative secant x to both. Questions so far? Alright, here's the next step. Before I do anything, I need to remember, what is it I'm trying to integrate again? Here.
Oh.
Remember this? What am I going to do? Add it to both sides. Notice, this particular integral requires everything we have learned about integration at this point. And I'm going to continue over here.
Sorry, I'm all finger space. Oh, that's the other identity that we did. That's it?
If you look in your notes, the integral of secant x is that.
Oh, I just divided the two out again. Okay. That's actually not too horrible.
Not when he does it for us.
Yeah, but once you get past like that part, it can kind of like feed into that. I think it's just the initial like organization kind of fuck you up.
It's just, figuring out which one to use on it.
Right, right. And then once you get it,
After you write it down, put your pen and pencil down, just talk someone through it.